Second Reader, Lesson 35. Scent, store, bounce, floating, loud, circle, ripples, catching, cake, blocks, strolled, however, Willie and Bounce. Two fast friends were Willie Brown and his little dog Bounce. Willie could never think of taking a walk without Bounce. Cake and play were equally shared between them. Willie taught his dog many cunning tricks, and often said that Bounce could do almost anything in the world but talk. There came a time, however, when Bounce really told Willie's father something, though he could not talk. Let me tell you how he did this. It was on a bright summer afternoon. Willie had strolled with Bounce down to the river, which was not more than 2 blocks from his father's store. Willie began to throw stones into the water and to watch the ripples as they made one circle after another. Bounce lay on the grass watching the flies that buzzed around his nose and catching any that came too near. There were some logs floating in the river near the shore. Willie jumped upon one of them to see if he could throw a stone across the river. He drew back and sent the stone with all his might. Just as it left his hand, the log turned and he fell into the water. He was very much frightened, for he did not know how to swim, and there was no one to hear, though he called as loud as he could for help.